Good evening, foodies. It's the weekend. Hope you're doing something fun, even though it's blowing a hoolie out there and it's freezing, even though the sun's out. I'm not feeling very hungry this evening because I had a massive sausage roll from the butcher's this afternoon, and it was yum. So today I'm going to make kind of like a Spanish omelette with wild garlic. Another way to use your wild garlic. Obviously you can throw them raw into a salad as well, which is absolutely scrummy. Unfortunately it's not weather for salads. So my salads is going into an omelette. So I'm just going to chop these vegetables first. I've got a little bit of red pepper, small onion, which I'll probably only use about half of it. I only had one tomato left, so there's one tomato in there as well. A couple of mushrooms. This to the side. Mushrooms. Just going to fry these off. Oh, and I've got some ham as well. Chop. These will just go in last minute. I'm going to put the onions and peppers and mushrooms in just to fry off a little bit. This could be a big fat omelette. Add salt and pepper. To taste. I've grated some cheese. I'm going to try and crack 3 eggs into a bowl just using one hand, which could be fun. Ah, got a shell in it. I'm going to fish that out. So if there's one thing that really makes me gip is eggshell in eggs. So I think I might have to do this with 2 hands. So in the eggs, I'm going to add some turmeric, some salt, some pepper, and I'm going to whisk it. Small baby yolks, these ones, aren't they? Give it a good whisky, whisky, whisky. And while that's doing, I'm going to throw in to there the ham. So that warm through. That in there. Along with the wild garlic to let that wilt a little bit. Wilt down. That smells amazing already. Okay, I'm whisking. See, the turmeric makes it a really nice goldeny yellow colour. But to activate the healing properties, you need the black pepper. So it's great for arthritis and inflammation in general. And in here I've got nettle tea, which I want to drink, some milk, so the eggs, not too much, just a wee bit. Make sure it's all whisked in well. About ready to go. Turn the heat down. I want to cook the eggs to cook slowly because there's a lot of ingredients in here. I've seen people put potatoes in omelettes. I've never tried it. If you've tried it, let me know. potatoes, obviously, in the egg. Flatten it all out to make sure everything's in and covered. And add the cheese. Lots of cheese. Add all the cheeses in. We'll just let that cook for a little bit, like that, so it can set. Nothing worse than runny eggs, because they cook quicker at the edges. I'll leave that for a minute. Come back to it. Once your omelette is looking cooked underneath, you can either flip it or cheat like I do and put under glue. There we have it. So you can see the bottom. Lovely. And you can put that straight onto your plate, like so. And there you have a yum yum Spanish omelette with wild garlic. Yummy. Enjoy.